yummy? Is that yummy, Kiwi? Is that yummy? Hey, Angel, you want to try some? Go ahead. Oh, is that yummy? Oh, that looks good. Try some more. Yummy. Oh, is that good? Yeah.
Yeah?
Kiwi. Angel.
What?
Kiwi. Angel.
You got anything in there?
Is that yummy? I think that looks very yummy. Let's show everyone what that is, huh? Yeah, I'm not gonna eat it, trust me. It's got some beans and rice in there. Little bean and rice mixture. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job. Bye-bye. Oh, you're not good at bye-bye. Bye-bye.